Right, so here's the presidential suites. This is where we're staying this week. And they're just situated just a little bit back from the beach area. You can see that's where the other sections are down there with the swim out section. And so we're in here. These rooms here are basically double the size of a regular room, so they're quite nice. We're up on the third floor. I'll just show you the stairs up here. So I did notice an elevator. So I guess if you're have any kind of mobility issues, I'm sure you can request a lower floor. I prefer the view, so we're up on the third floor, so it's good. So we're up on the third floor here, and we're just down to the end here. This is pretty good because we get the view of the ocean. It's kind of hard to see through the blinds here. Anyways, here's our room number.
We've got room 4304, which is pretty nice. We got a third floor. So we got a nice view. These guys have a kind of a wrist-activated band. You can just put your little card there, or your little bracelet there. Opens the door for you. It's pretty nice. Let's take a look around as we come in here. You see a light switch and the thermostat. A little statue. Mirrors. We come in here. So right now it's like the sitting room. You see there's a fan up there spinning around. And since we're on the corner unit as well, we get a view out here, which is a bit of the ocean view. And you can see the other buildings straight ahead. They've got the swim out sections, which is not part of the room feature that we have. So let's turn on here a little bit more. We've got a coffee setup, a little mini bar. I don't know if we can get alcohol delivered here as well. I'll check that out. There is some beer in the fridge here, and snacks and water. It's quite full. No complaints on that. There's suitcases. Gotta store them away somewhere. Right, the TV and little sitting area or desk area here. Some plugs to plug your rechargeables in. A little bit of storage. Some drawers down here. Yeah, slide out nice. Pretty good. And there's actually two balconies on this suite. So we'll check out the first balcony here. And again, we'll look off to the beach. You can see it down there. So I can zoom in a bit. You can see there's a beach in the distance there. And we got a view. This is basically all the dining areas here. And off in this direction, you can see some more green space. I think those are the regular rooms. To the right there, and off to the left here, these are the Diamond Club rooms with the swim out ones, which are pretty nice in the bottom area. Okay, let's take a look at get back inside here. There's actually two TVs. They're in the stay closed. And we got a separating wall here, which is nice, and this comes into the bedroom area, which again is very spacious. I forget the room size. Look it up online, or I'll put it in the comment section here. One limitation we noticed here is there's not a lot of storage area for your clothes. There's a little nightstand, so you can put a little bit of clothes in there. And there's no outlet on one side of the bed. On the other side, you can see there's an outlet, a couple of USB chargers. Just seeing if this door yet opens. Okay, so you can put a few things in there, but somewhat limited storage for your clothes. Just to sit down and put your shoes on, etc. And here's the closet. which I was checking out earlier, and a pretty limited number of hangers there. It's like 5. We got our winter coats there that we brought with us, so they're up on hangers. Safe, a couple of more areas there to store your clothes for the week. And this is good here. So we got a soaking tub with all sorts of jets. That looks really nice. We'll definitely be trying that out later. 2 sinks, lots of room there, lots of towels. And here we're in the shower area, and this is huge. 2 rain shower heads up there, lots of room in here. And this is the toilet in here, which is nice, so you can, be having a shower while someone uses the toilet, or using the sinks. And the air conditioner is working pretty good. You can see up here, that's where up there is where the air conditioner comes out, which is good. It shoots it right across the bed. And a fan up on top, which is nice as well to circulate the air. So overall, it's a really nice room. Oh, right, and here's the second balcony. I forgot about that. See Tracy here reading a book as usual. So I ran into a few people in Cuba that had watched my videos and were commenting on every time they see Tracy in a video, she's reading a book. Yeah. Hey, it's a beautiful day here. It's nice and sunny. The grass is green. We'll get a tour resort later on. You'll see the rest of it. But so far the room's doing pretty good.